All right, Gail, looks like you're ready to go camping with all your parts strapped to the roof.
I know. Look at all the progress we made this weekend.
Man.
Yeah.
So what do you want to show them first, other than?
Well, we'll start with the trunk, I guess, since it's on the roof here. But as you can see, it's sanded and ready to go, and everything's ready to head to the basement.
Pretty much.
Yeah. It's a lot of work.
Holes are drilled. The wing was mounted.
Yes, it was.
You got a thumbnail for that, right? Yeah.
Oh, yes,
You got a picture for that. So.
Oh yes.
So yeah, the trunk is done.
We were busy bees this weekend. So the trunk lid's there. We got the wing, which is super exciting because that's all done and ready to go.
Yeah.
So I'm excited for that. And then the bumper. The bumper was the bitch of them all.
Totally.
Yeah.
If that kid wouldn't have sprayed freaking...
I know. There was so much black, like crappy black paint on it that it took a lot.
Somebody spray bombed that car to be ghetto.
Yeah. But it came out really good.
Yeah, it's looking fantastic.
Once it's painted.
Well, we're ready. All that stuff's ready for paint.
Yeah. It's exciting.
It's this thing, if you don't sand it all the way down, you don't have to primer it.
No.
That's the beauty of some of this stuff, is that the paint is the primer, especially if it's the original paint, and that car had original paint on it, and the trunk lid. So the wing is not, though. The wing was not.
No, that was off of, well, I think.
It was off Bernie.
Yeah, it was off Bernie. That's right. Yes.
And somebody did paint that, so
yeah.
That was a lot of sanding.
It was.
And then
it was.
The trim is wrecked.
Oh, yes.
Good thing I saved these off Bernie, too, because I saw this had
full of dents.
This even got hail damage.
Yeah, these are full of dents.
Totally.
So
can't use it.
Nope.
And then what else is the door?
The door. We got the door over here. Yeah, the door looks great. Brian got the dents out of it. Thank you so much.
Them.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, well, we got to use the paintless dent repair tools, we got to take some of them out.
Yep.
One little speck right in the middle, I think, wasn't it? There's one little spot.
Yes.
But the dents came out. This door is gold.
Oh, this door is great. This door is great compared to the one that's on it.
Oh my God.
So.
This is like minty.
It is.
Minty, delicious, minty.
It is.
Yeah, so that's that.
Yeah. So yeah, it was a good weekend.
Yeah.
We got lots done, lots accomplished.
Yeah.
I appreciate all your help, Brian.
You're welcome.
And well, we'll see you next time.
Well, of course work didn't end there. We're on a mission to get this car done, so we just kept right on going. I got tired of working on that trunk lid, so I moved on and started working on my rims. Getting them all scuffed up, getting them sanded, getting all the gunk cleaned off of them, getting them ready to look fantastic, that's for sure. And then after their final scrubbing, well, they came out pretty nice. Tell me what you think, guys. Look how nice they look. Ugh, I'm so excited.
All that because the door is gold.
Yes.
It is gold, but it's just not gold in that way. It's
right.
Gold in its condition, but not in its color.
That's correct.
Well, a piece of that gold one will live on.
It will.
You know, they're all parts of those cars. Their soul will be here.
They will be, yes.
If you look at it like that,
they will live again.
Imagine how few of them these are going to be around in 10 more years. You'll be able to take it to a car show now, and people are like, Hyundai.
I know, right? And Elantra.
I never saw them on the road. That's because all the young people who never even saw them on the road. I was walking on the dealer lot when they were on the lot. It's like, wow, time goes by fast.
Yeah, right?
You can watch a whole generation of cars just come and go.
That's right, you can.
And then you're like us, and we're restoring one for the most part.
I don't know if we can see you in the video.
They don't have to see me.
Okay.
They know I'm here.
All right.
What the hell they want to look at me for? And I'm looking at you. They don't look at me. Who cares about me? I don't generate view counts on certain things. You do. You know?
Well, they like you too.
Yeah, they like me, but I'm not as attractive. You know.
Yes, you are.
Brian's been doing a lot of behind the scenes stuff for me, and I greatly appreciate it. Look at all those spots he's already worked on. It is truly amazing how much hail damage this car has.
The general fucking Elantra. Well, that was a can and a half right there.
Yeah.
That was, unfortunately, we had to go that route.
Right.
That had to go that way. Because now, once it dries, wet sand it, then we'll be able to see anything we missed.
Right.
On the roof and on, that's why I'm holding off on the glass, because it's going to make a big, rusty, watery looking mess.
Yeah.
When you start wet sanding that down. But when we see it, then I can fill in any of the areas that are still there. But I'll tell you what, looking at this, I mean, just initially, I don't know about you, what you can see, but...
Yeah, but not like there was. No way. Fantastic. Thank you, Brian.
They're still gonna, they'll still be there, but now you have to look for it.
Right.
You gotta remember, it's gonna be paint, 2 coats of paint on top of it.
Right.
So whatever we miss, you're gonna just see. It's gonna be hard to notice ones we miss. You're
Right.
gonna have them.
Right.
I don't know that we're gonna be able to make this thing a perfect, SEMA show. But
No, but it's going to be
but I can
so
tell you
much
right
better.
now, if you just look at it and just let the glare off the primer, I mean, it looks pretty sharp.
It does.
That's gonna look pretty good. I mean, just there, I know there's maybe a half dozen of ones that have to be filled,
Yeah.
but holy crap, huh?
Yeah, right.
The whole thing it was just enough. Ray taught me a pretty valuable thing, is don't go all the way down. And
Right.
he's right, because once you run your finger across it, if you don't feel it, you won't see it.
Right.
And that's how you can tell. Like,
Right.
you can see where they were.
Right.
But
Yes.
then when you look at it in the primer, it's gone. The dent's gone because it's filled.
Right.
I know, it's going to be hot.
I know.
It's going to be hot, Ted. It's
I
really
know.
going to be. Look at that, huh? How about that, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Awesome.
I mean, you're looking at it with your camera, but when
Right.
you go on there with your eyeballs, I mean,
Yeah.
you see it a little. Even that, I would say, we shot it, we probably would have and that was a very thin coat of primer.
Yeah. Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. Well, that's how we reskinned it.
Yep.
You know what? It really isn't a big damn deal, actually. It's just if you got the right, if you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sucks. It's time consuming. But
Right.
I'm not fussing over that. I mean,
Nope. I'm not
that's just
either.
our first run at it. That's literally what we got first run out. Now we go and we look to see where we can find any little divots or dents, and then we fill them, and then I go back and I do a final sand on those spots, and then we wet sand it, and those parts are finished.
Awesome.
Yeah, I see a little square Gale.
Well, you're supposed to.
What we got here?
Well, we got our moldings. So these got pulled off, and I got them all scuffed up and ready to go. And then Brian primered them, and then did some
Spot filler.
spot filling. Yeah,
there's some.
there was a couple dents, a couple marks. This one was scratched to hell.
Yeah.
But yeah, so those are all done.
Yeah,
and
those
that's
look good.
Exciting.
Tomorrow we sand
Go
them.
back
Those
and
should be
sand
done.
them.
Yep.
And then we have the parking lights for the bumper. And I cleaned these all up.
They just need to be polished yet.
Yep, they came out really nice.
They look
Hyundai
great.
right there on the logo.
Yep, fantastic.
So those are drying in the sun.
And then, oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. Look at that, huh?
I know.
That's,
Look at Pina.
boy,
Brian
she's
got
so pretty.
much done today. It was
Man.
fantastic. I came home from work and he had this all done, so I'm so appreciative. But yeah, look at the hood. Look at
Yeah.
that. Yeah, it looks fantastic.
Wait till we wet sand that down, and then we'll do the final on it. But
Yeah,
this is the easiest car I've ever painted in my life. There's nothing to it. It's so simple.
Yeah.
The trim, the pieces of it are just so simple.
We got some dunkers here. We gotta
Well,
work on.
tomorrow the glass comes out,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
the
I'll
door
clean
handles.
all of this.
Yep. Not much.
No.
Worse was the roof, really, and
Yeah.
I didn't count, so
Oh.
there was no way.
Well,
Didn't
okay.
care. It was too hot. It was
Yeah, it
almost
was.
borderline. You couldn't do it, but so it's a zebra. But most of what I can see is gone.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wet sand that down with 400 or whatever it is, and then we'll have a relook at it. That'll reveal anything we missed, because we've been walking around this car many times over and looking for every little nook and cranny and spot. And
Right.
so tomorrow the glass comes out, the trim comes off, the door handles come out, because she's gonna prep all that.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
Yeah,
Have the bumper to work on.
the bumpers, the bumper.
Yeah.
Gail's gonna have to clean and sand that whole entire thing.
Yeah.
And the back one we have in the basement ready to go.
Yeah. So
That's
that one
just
we don't-
junk.
Yep. But this one, that's what I'll work on tomorrow.
And this trunk lid is history.
Yep.
It's fun not having to do anything to that trunk lid and
ya.
that door, because all the right stuff is all there. Yeah.
It's all got filled.
Yep. Tonight I put some more mud down in the holes, and
Yep. And the
should
gas
get
door. I
them.
did the gas door tonight.
Yeah, it's coming along.
Mm-hmm.
Might be in paint next week.
I know. We might
So-
be. So yeah,
That's it.
made some massive
Oh,
progress.
Right,
Oh,
we
yeah.
did. And then what
And
else
then
are we
I'm
working
over
on here?
Right now, I'm working on the tail lights. I'm getting these all cleaned up because there was
Super.
a lot of dirt in them.
Yeah,
So I didn't get to this one yet, so you can see the difference.
yeah.
So that one's pretty filthy, as you can see.
And then they're getting a polish, and they're gonna
Yep.
look like a brand
And
new.
as you can see, I'm working on it. Yep, and then
Polish it.
so yeah.
That's it, huh?
So yeah, so that's where we're at so far.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we'll continue to keep going.
All